In this video, we're going to create a bullet to kill an enemy. First thing we're going to do is create a new object, and we're going to create a new sprite. This sprite is going to be our bullet. We're going to name it bullet, and then click on insert. Click anywhere on the stage, and we're going to create a bullet. In this instance, I'm just going to make a little small round gold circle. So click and drag it out, and then we're going to crop it so that it takes out all the stuff that we don't need around it. And then click X. And now we have our bullet. You can make it bigger and smaller as you wish. And we're going to go on here, and we're going to add a behavior. The behavior we're going to add is bullet. It's listed under movements. So click on that and then add. Now we've got our bullet. So we're going to go to our event sheet, and we're going to add a new event. And we're going to use the keyboard, and on the key pressed or down, we're going to use space. We want to trigger a few actions. So we're going to click done on here. And the action we're going to do is we're going to click on action, click on player, and we're going to click on search and type in spawn another object. And the object we're going to choose is bullet. Click OK. Now we're going to go and add another condition. And we're going to add the condition to system. And then we're going to go and add on every X seconds. And we're going to change that to 0.3. This reduces the amount that the bullet is fired when we press the space. So it's not fired quickly, and lots of them at the same time. There's a small period of time between each firing. As you can see from the demo, when I press space and hold the space down, it will add them every other 0.3 of a second. But notice it didn't kill anything, so we're going to add a few more events to our event sheet. And this time we're going to go and we're going to create gravity. I'm going to add the gravity of 300, and this makes our bullet fall. So as you see here, the bullet slowly starts to fade when we jump and we fire it. Now we're going to go back up to our event sheet, and we're going to add an event to the bullet. So we're going to add the on collision with another object, and the object we're going to collide it with is with the enemy, and then we're going to set a action for it to kill the enemy. So we're going to select the enemy with destroy, and then click next. So now when we run it and we fire our bullet on collision, it should kill our enemy. So there we go. Notice the bullet still fires through the bottom of the floor. We want to make that not happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and add a new event. I'm going to click on the bullet, and we're going to do an on collision with, which is just down the bottom here, another object. And then we're going to choose the floor, so the brick floor, and we're going to click OK, click done, and then we're going to add another action. So the bullet on collision with the floor, we want to destroy it. If we click that, and then we run it, and then just fire our bullets, you'll see that once they hit the floor, it doesn't kill, it kills the bullet, and then when we kill the enemy disappears.